The following are examples of our cooperation in steel structure projects. This is a 4-story factory building in France. This is a cold storage building in the United States. This is a store building in the Gambia. This is a 4-story apartment building in Guyana. This is a warehouse and office building in Poland. This is a ballpark building in the United States. This is a factory building in Canada. This is a 4-story apartment building in the Netherlands Antilles. This is an Argentine warehouse. The last project is a gym building in Jordan.